first glance, this doesn't look like a camper van. It looks like a luxury truck that accidentally wandered into the RV section and decided to stay. Seriously, if you saw this rolling past you on the highway, you'd probably assume it belongs to an executive, not a campground. And that's exactly why this Dynamax motorhome is turning heads. Because it's not trying to scream RV life. It's quietly saying, I live better than your apartment, and I move whenever I want. Let's start with the design, because that's the first thing that hits you. The deep burgundy paint instantly sets the tone. This isn't a playful, outdoorsy color. It's rich, confident, and premium. The kind of color you usually see on luxury sedans or high-end SUVs. The front end is pure Ford Super Duty muscle, with a massive chrome grille and a stance that feels planted and powerful. It doesn't look fragile. It doesn't look oversized. It looks serious. Even the cab-over sleeping area is smoothly integrated. So instead of that awkward box-on-top look, it flows naturally with the truck's shape. From the side, the graphics are clean and sharp, adding motion without being loud. Everything about the exterior feels intentional, like it was designed for people who want presence without showing off. And when you walk around to the back, the story stays the same. Clean lines, modern vertical lights, a built-in ladder for roof access, and a rear design that feels solid and purposeful. Nothing flimsy, nothing cheap. This is the kind of vehicle that makes you feel confident just standing next to it. But the real magic starts when you step inside. The driver's seat immediately breaks expectations. This doesn't feel like you're sitting in a commercial truck or a basic RV cockpit. The steering wheel is leather-wrapped, the dashboard is clean and modern, and the infotainment screen sits right where you want it. Navigation, controls, camera views. Everything is simple, clear, and familiar. You don't feel like you're learning how to drive an RV. You feel like you're driving a well-equipped pickup that just happens to have a house attached to it. And on the road, that feeling continues. Under the hood, this Dynamax is built on a Ford Super Duty platform, meaning you get serious power and reliability. Acceleration feels confident, not slow or strained. Highway driving is smooth, and the suspension does an impressive job soaking up bumps, especially considering the size of this thing. It doesn't wander. It doesn't feel top-heavy. It feels planted and controlled, which is exactly what you want when you're driving something this capable. Long road trips don't feel intimidating. They feel comfortable. Now, let's talk about the living space, because this is where people usually expect compromises. And that's where this motorhome surprises you again. As you step into the main living area, the first thing you notice is how open it feels. The slide-out creates breathing room instantly. There's space to move, space to sit, space to live. The dinette seating is plush and inviting, not stiff or awkward, and it easily doubles as extra sleeping space when needed. The lighting is soft and evenly spread, giving the entire space a warm, home-like glow. No harsh shadows, no dark corners, just calm, comfortable light that makes you want to slow down. The kitchen is compact but incredibly smart. You've got a sleek cooktop, a proper sink, solid counter space, and storage exactly where you expect it. Everything feels sturdy. Cabinets close smoothly. Nothing rattles or feels flimsy. This is a kitchen designed for actual use, not just for show. And right across from it, the TV is mounted at the perfect height, whether you're eating, relaxing, or just winding down after a long drive. This space doesn't feel like a camper. It feels like a small, modern apartment on wheels. As you move toward the back, the bedroom area seals the deal. This is a real bed, not a cramped corner, not a fold-down compromise, a proper, comfortable sleeping space with soft lighting, storage above, and enough room to move without bumping into walls. The curtains, the textures, the symmetry. It all creates a calm, restful atmosphere. This is the kind of place where you actually sleep well, not just pass out after driving. And then there's the bathroom, which honestly might be one of the most impressive parts. You get a fully enclosed glass shower, a modern vanity with a backlit mirror, and even a window for ventilation and natural light. It feels clean, spacious, and surprisingly upscale. Many RVs treat the bathroom like an afterthought. This one treats it like a priority. Now let's talk features and practicality. There's plenty of exterior storage for gear, luggage, and supplies. Roof access means space for solar panels or extra equipment. Climate control keeps everything comfortable no matter the season. And because this is built by Dynamax, the construction quality feels solid throughout. Doors, panels, flooring, everything feels designed for long-term use, not just weekend trips. So who is this camper van really for? This isn't for someone looking for the cheapest way to camp. This is for someone who wants to travel without giving up comfort. Someone who wants freedom, but also wants a bed they actually enjoy sleeping in. Someone who wants to explore without feeling like they're sacrificing their lifestyle. And yes, all of this comes at a price. Depending on the configuration and options, you're looking at a premium price tag, often well into the six-figure range. But when you compare it to luxury SUVs, vacation homes, or long-term travel costs, it starts making sense. You're not just buying a vehicle. You're buying mobility, comfort, and independence in one package. At the end of the day, this Dynamax motorhome isn't trying to impress everyone. It's built for people who value quality, presence, and comfort, and want to take their home wherever the road leads. And honestly, once you see it like this, going back to a regular RV feels a little hard to accept. If you enjoyed this deep dive, make sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Would you live in something like this? Or is it just a dream on wheels? Because for some people, this isn't just a camper. It's freedom, done right.